Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Mayo Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to make some absolutely delicious Cajun style chicken salad. Now let me tell you, got the right amount of spice and it's absolutely delicious, fam. So let's go down to this workstation and let's focus on this absolutely delicious Cajun chicken salad and let's get in the game.
Now the full ingredients will be in the description box below. Now what I got here is I got 2 pounds of chicken breast. Now you can go with chicken thighs if you like, but I'm gonna show you how to make these chicken breasts absolutely delicious, flavorful, and juicy. Now what I want to do is I want to take off this excess fat, and then I'm gonna get these chicken breasts trimmed up, and then they're gonna look absolutely gorgeous like that. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna butterfly these chicken breasts. And the reason being is I'm gonna cook these in the pan first. I'm gonna get a sear on them, light sear, and then I'm gonna take them all the way and cook them. So this will give me a nice little chicken breast where it won't take too long to cook. Now we got our chicken breasts, they're ready to go. Now I want to baptize this chicken in this Cajun seasoning. Now my blend gives it the right amount of kick, gives it the right amount of flavor, and then when we put it in that pan to sear it, it's going to give it an absolutely gorgeous color. Now I want to season this chicken front and back, and then we'll be in the game, fam. Then we'll turn our attention to our pan. We're going in with a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm working with a medium heat, and I don't want to go too high. Like I said, I want to get a light sear on this chicken, and then I'm gonna cook this chicken all the way through on this pan. Now also I'm cooking in batches, so I don't want the heat to be too high, and then when it creates that fun on bottom, it'll start burning. Now you also notice I'm pressing down on this chicken. I want to make sure that this chicken is getting nice contact with the pan. Now when this chicken starts showing that it's halfway cooked, now it's time to flip this chicken. Now you see it right there, a nice little light sear, nothing too major. This is perfect for what we're doing today. You don't have to go a dark sear. Like I said, you want a nice, tender, juicy piece of chicken breast. Now I did flip this chicken a couple times during the cooking process just to make sure that it's cooked thoroughly and evenly all the way through. Now when we hit 165, that safe zone, now it's time to take this chicken out. Now what I'm gonna tell you is let this chicken rest, and then you can work on the rest of this recipe. And while this chicken is resting, it's going to allow those juices to redistribute, and you're going to have a nice, absolutely juicy and flavorful chicken. Now I'm going in with 1 rib of celery. I'm cutting off both ends, and then I'm going to give this a nice fine dice. So every time that you take a bite, you're not going to have like huge chunks of celery, but the right amount of celery. Now we're going in with 1/3 cup, and then I got me a red onion. Hey, it's just something about a red onion. I love the color, the intense color, and the flavor. So what I want to do is I want to cut this in half, and then I'm gonna work with it, and then we're gonna get this chopped up again, where you don't have like a lot of onion or a big piece of onion when you're biting in, just the right amount. So this right here will be absolutely perfect for you, fam, and you will be in the game. So again, we're going in with 1/3 cup of that red onion. You get the right amount of onion, and then you get the right amount of celery. Now we allow these chicken breasts to rest while we worked on the other ingredients of this recipe. And I'm gonna bring one up to you so you can see it. Hey, these chicken breasts are absolutely juicy and tender. Now what I want to do is I want to save this juice that's on the bottom of this plate, because we're gonna use that for our recipe. Now we're gonna get these chicken breasts on this cutting board so we can get them chopped up. Now like I said, we're gonna use that juice right there, and it's gonna provide some extra flavor. Now what you can do, if you want to, you can shred this chicken, but I just like the texture of having like chopped chicken breasts, so that's what I'm doing. I'm chopping these chicken breasts, and then we're gonna be in the game, fam. Now I like this cleaver knife here because I can use that, something like a spatula, and then I can grab my chicken. Now we got everything chopped up to our liking. Now we're going back in with that juice, that extra flavor. Use that, you'll be in the game. Going back in with our celery, and then we're gonna hit it with our onions. Now it's time to assemble some delicious chicken salad. Now I'm going in with a couple of mayo. I'm using Duke's mayo. Hey, I know some people use Best Foods, Hellman's, use whatever mayo you like. Going in with some stone ground mustard, And then here's my secret ingredient right here, going in with some jalapeños. Now, like I said, this is a Cajun chicken salad. If you don't like the spice, hey, keep the jalapeños out. But if you do, and I'll be honest with you, it's not too spicy. Now we're going in with some relish. You can use salad cubes if you like. Going in with some onion powder and some garlic powder, and then a little bit of oregano and some dill. Get everything mixed in, fam. And I'm gonna tell you what, the combination of everything that I just put in this chicken salad is absolutely delicious. Now you got to give it a taste test to see if you need to add some more seasonings to your liking. Now it's time to make us some absolutely delicious chicken salad sandwiches. Now I got me some Kaiser rolls, and then what I'm using here is some nice Gouda cheese with some lettuce, and then I'm gonna hit them with some tomatoes. And you already know this is deluxe style Cajun chicken salad sandwich, and we in the game, fam. And all we gotta do is top that thing up with that absolutely delicious, tender, juicy, flavorful chicken salad, and we're in the game. Now you can't eat this chicken salad, you know what I'm saying, by itself with some club crackers or however you like it, but I just want a meal sandwich. And
here's the moment of truth. Hey, we gotta give this a taste test. That right there, that's absolutely delicious, fam. That's good. I'm gonna tell you, fam, that is absolutely delicious. Got the right amount of kick. That chicken salad, I'm gonna tell you, probably one of the best that you taste. Now, if you don't like the spice, hey, you can substitute that with some Creole seasoning, and it'll still come out absolutely delicious, fam. Now, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, hey, go ahead, like and subscribe. Don't forget to tell your family and friends, hey, Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now, for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, hold on one second. Hey, don't forget to pick up your bottle of this baptizing Cajun seasoning. Put in the promo code I'm in the game. Get 25% off, and you'll be in the game, fam. Now, without further ado, hey, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into this Cajun chicken salad, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.